Rhythm clocks, Gadget magic motion clock. Beautifully displayed gears adorned by 6 genuine Swarovski crystals of varying sizes. The sparkle of the continuously moving pendulum gear near the bottom and flashing LED lights create a unique display. Every hour on the hour the face of the Gadget clock comes to life, making a full revolution while playing one of its 30 melodies, including 12 popular melodies, 12 classic melodies, or 6 Christmas songs for you to enjoy. Optional volume control. On or off switch and display button lets you silence your clock on demand, while it still keeps perfect time. Not only does the Gadget tell time, but it also includes a temperature gauge and hygrometer or humidity measurement. With an optional volume control, on or off switch and display button lets you silence your clock on demand, while it still keeps perfect time. Clock measures 16.1 height by 15.4 inch wide by 3.4 inch deep and operates on 2D batteries that are included to help keep the clock's precision quartz movement.